All right, we got a 2002 BMW 325i. The complaint here is a growling noise. A growling noise, you would normally think that it's a bearing, water pump, idler, pulleys, alternator, maybe the AC compressor, but it's none of the above. So what I did was I used my little stethoscope here from Harbor Freight. Poked it around here and there where the idler pulleys are, down by the alternator. You don't hear nothing normal except for just a regular spinning of the bearings. Nothing growling, but it's a really weird sound. So I'm going to go through this with you. It's not the AC compressor, because when you turn the AC on, the noise is still there. The funny part is when you step on the gas or on an accelerator, the noise actually goes away. So usually it's a bearing, it usually gets louder. All right, so hold on, let me start off here. So the noise. When you give it gas, the noise goes away. So check all the things that are spinning, and none of it is the problem. So let's look in a different route. I checked the power steering fluid. It's a BMW, so they make funny noises. On a regular car, when the power steering is low, it makes a really weird growling noise. So this one might be a little different. It is low, nothing's on there. Here it's coming up. Alright, I'm going to put the power steering fluid in this, which is ATF, automatic transmission fluid, and we'll see if that noise goes away. Hold on. Alright, so we know that wasn't the problem, wasn't that. We'll have to check a little further. Might be one of those idler pulleys. Alright, so all this has to come out. All this whole front end got to come out in order to double check it. All right. See you in part 2.